Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Animal Psychology. Think about the last time you walked past a crow. Did you even notice it? Well, here's a spooky thought. That crow almost certainly noticed you. Crows are far more than just black birds, making noise in the park. They are masters of memory and experts at holding a grudge. In fact, research shows they can remember a dangerous face for up to 17 years. Today, we're diving into the culture of hate, how crows identify their enemies, and more importantly, how they teach their children to hate you too. This all started with a famous experiment at the University of Washington led by Professor John Marzluff. To test if crows recognize individuals, researchers wore two different masks, a scary caveman mask and a neutral Dick Cheney mask. The caveman trapped and banded 7 crows before releasing them. From that day on, whenever anyone wore the caveman mask on campus, the crows went wild, diving at the person and screaming scold calls. But the person in the Dick Cheney mask? They were completely ignored. The crows didn't just see a human, they saw a specific face they associated with danger. Here is where it gets truly amazing and a little creepy. Over time, the number of crows scolding the dangerous mask actually increased. In one walk, Marzluff encountered 53 crows, and 47 of them screamed at him. Remember, only 7 birds were ever originally trapped. This means the original crows told their friends and family that the caveman was bad news. Crows that weren't even born when the experiment started were attacking the mask years later. This is called social learning, and it's how crows pass down a culture of hate against people they don't trust. Why are they so smart? Scientists often call crows small flying monkeys because their brain-to-body ratio is similar to primates. They don't just react on instinct, they use insight to solve problems. Using brain scans, researchers found that when a crow sees a threatening face, the amygdala, the same part of the human brain that handles fear and negative memories, lights up. They process faces and emotions almost exactly like we do. They even have funerals for dead crows, where they gather to study the area and learn how to avoid whatever danger might have caused the death. So, how long does this grudge last? In the Washington study, the crows continued to scold the caveman mask for 17 years. It was only in September 2023 that the campus finally went quiet during the masked walks. This 17-year span covers nearly the entire lifetime of a wild crow. They held on to that one negative experience until the original birds likely passed away, but not before they had successfully warned the rest of the neighborhood. Key lesson here? Be nice to your local crows. If you treat them well, they've been known to bring gifts like jewelry, beads, or even tools to people who feed them. But if you cross them, they might just put you on their naughty list for the next 2 decades. Thanks for watching the episode of Animal Psychology. If you've ever had a run-in with a crow or a gift from one, tell us your story in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the secret lives of animals.